Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Alright, let's see. Bottom of the deck, there's the Hermit. So this is telling me that somebody has been doing a lot of thinking. Somebody's been doing a lot of thinking. Reevaluating some stuff, then going through lessons. The world, there's a new opportunity here that's coming in for you, or somebody's making plans to come back. Yeah, the truth is coming out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Clarify, justice, reverse. About some type, somebody wants to have some type of home family situation with you. Look at that, 11, 11, 11. See what I'm saying, guys? Ooh. Y'all, I'm pausing because I'm still picking up both scenarios that I gave you guys earlier. Like, for those of you that are still entertaining an ex, that's what they're saying. You have a new opportunity coming in, but you're realizing the truth. Like, I don't see myself with this person, but see, they want to have the home life, the family life, all of that with you, but you're making a decision based off because of this person. They're sneaky, you know, and I see you guys putting an end to it. See what I'm saying? So for the other half that I feel like it's a past person, this is telling me this person wants to come back to make things right with you, and they're going to come back and tell you the truth, that they love you, they want to be with you, you're their person. But see, that's the decision that they made, but the problem is they were being sneaky in the past, you know? I feel like for some of them, this past person that's coming back, they were around an ex, or they were committed. It was some type of situation, and they're trying to sneak away from them. But see, it's like they're still not doing it the right way, you know, because they need to put an end to a situation. All right, let's see, y'all, 'cause I'm literally picking it up two different ways. Okay, so I'm seeing that somebody is being very immature and childish. Yep, I told you, somebody is realizing the truth. They don't want to have a new beginning. See, what did I tell you? In the Hierophant was right there on release your ex. Somebody is getting out of a commitment. Somebody could be getting out of a marriage. I told you. I'm picking it up on both sides. So like I said, Aries, this could be somebody that you're dealing with. Cross watcher, hell, you could be dealing with Aries. I don't know. Just take how it fits. But I'm telling you. See, there's the King of Swords. The way it came out, I'm telling you, somebody's getting cut off. But there's still some hesitation doing it. Tell me more. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody's not confident in making this decision. Y'all know what y'all have to do. Whoever this is. Y'all, I should have played with these cards a little bit more, because when I tell y'all they're still slick. I have not touched these cards since June. Alright. So it's back and forth. So this lets me know somebody's coming out of being frustrated, because I'm seeing somebody had you waiting around. And it's like 1 minute they can sleep. They're fine, coming out of being frustrated, but the next minute, they're in their head. See, 4 of Cups tried to come out. So that lets me know they're afraid that if they give you this offer, you're going to reject them, because they had you waiting around. Oh, okay. Y'all saw how this king just kindly graced himself and landed right here by this King of Swords, and he looking at him. And then look, I tell y'all, there's a 4 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. That's why this person feels like you're not going to take their offer, because they feel like, I'm still picking it up on both sides. So y'all, just please follow me. I hope I'm not losing y'all, because a lot of y'all. But anyway, whoever I'm picking up that wants to move forward with you, they're afraid because they know somebody else is coming in the picture, if someone else is not already there. This is good. See what I'm saying? Somebody's confident and they're giving you some type of offer here. Oh, y'all, this is good. This is good, Aries. Tell me more. Look at, oh my gosh. You see what I'm saying? Somebody is getting an offer to have a new beginning, and I'm going to be honest with you, I feel like it's with someone else. This other person, yes, they're going to sit here and tell you, oh, I love you, I care about you, we've been through it, blah, blah, blah. You know, I want this to work. But you're like, there's somebody else here I'm either talking to, or you got somebody else getting ready to come in that's getting ready to give you like this really good offer that you can have a new beginning. The fact that you have 2 aces here, that screams volumes. And see what I'm saying? You're like, I don't want to build with this other person. I'm good. This could be the same person for some of y'all coming back in, you know, pleading their case, and you're like, nope, I'm good. Let's see. Ooh, Oh, Aries, what? Oh my, y'all are moving forward with someone. Okay. But let me tell you something. You're like the seeds that you planted with this other person. You don't see it. See what I'm saying? You're rejecting an offer. You're like, no, I don't want it. Tell me more. Aries, your card just tried to jump out. All right. So I'm feeling like you guys are rejecting this person because you're like, you know what? I'm focusing on me. I'm doing me. I got to heal. I'm focusing on my finance, my money, my family. See, I told you you're healing. You guys are healing right now. You're not concerned about this other person. There's another king that jumped on top of this king. What did I tell you? Y'all have options. Aries, if you over there single and it's dry, meaning you ain't talking to nobody, your phone is real dry, I promise you. Oh, options are coming in. And I ain't talking about these retrograde options, okay? Like the people that's getting ready to go. I'm talking about new options that are coming in. I done seen 2 already. Outside of this past person. See what I'm saying? Like, you guys have some serious options coming in. And I feel like the person... Come on, Spirit. Just finish my sentence, Lord. I feel like the person that's trying to win you guys back, they're upset because you're walking away from them. That's why I said, finish my sentence. Y'all are like, nope, I'm good. I'm rolling with this one over here. Tell me more. Yep, y'all are healing. Y'all have been healing from this person betraying you, stabbing you in the back. And if they came back, especially during this retrograde, y'all are like, you know what? I just had to, we need to have this conversation to let you know I've been working on myself. I've been healing. I'm not mad at you. I let it go. Now I'm focusing on me. See, I'm moving forward. I'm leaving you alone because, see, you didn't bring any type of balance. And, see, you had other options. And that's why you had to go. I had to cut you off. And you, listen, look at that. You guys have the strength to say all this, to do all this. See, you're putting the end into it. Because a lot of you guys are going through a transformation. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo. Somebody else could have been dealing with a Scorpio. See what I'm saying? You guys made a final decision. You're not playing around with someone anymore. What? There you are. See? Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries, but you're realizing this person didn't bring stability into the situation. And see, you're no longer overthinking this. You're no longer beating yourself up. You're like, I'm good. See, now something's going to happen fast. Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. This person, yeah, they're not giving up. Whoever this is I'm picking up on, they're wanting to come back to work things out with you, but you're having a hard time. Why? Because you cared about this person, but see, you're still going to let them go. I don't see things turning around. See, y'all are cutting off communication. And this could even be for some of you guys, this person hasn't come back in just yet, but you're like, you know what, they took too long. You know, the offer that you're giving me now is great. I've always wanted this offer. I've always wanted to move forward with you, but you took too long. So now I have other options, and I think I'm going to explore these other options. See? I told y'all are not taking a lead. Y'all are not playing. Y'all are not playing. See? This person definitely did not bring you happiness at all. Clarify. See, you're focusing on you. You're trying to balance things out in your own life. You're like, you know what? You're telling yourself, like, the person that I was dealing with, they were always complicating things, you know, making things harder. Like, you know, I was really stressing out. I couldn't focus on other things that I wanted to do. And now by, you know, us being apart or me getting away from this person, I was able to focus on me, balance things out in my life, get things that I wanted to have done. You know, I'm accomplished. Like, I'm not worried about them. They're not hindering me. See, you guys are no longer sweating bullets. I'm telling y'all aren't worried about this person. But see, somebody's not listening to their intuition. Why? Why is that? I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Remember in the beginning, I told some of y'all were dealing with an ex here, and it's like, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna keep saying y'all are bored. Some of y'all are bored, and y'all are just doing it for fun. But for others of y'all, you know, you still really do have feelings for this person, and it's like, one minute you're trying to have hope that maybe somehow this will eventually play out and work out in your favor where you two can move forward, but then the other half of you is like, you know what, no, it's not. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody's still iffy. See? Ooh, I don't like that combination. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Oh, Lord. Bottom of the deck, Lovers reverse. Okay, y'all. I'm really seeing this still two ways. So, y'all, please just, y'all bear with me. Because I'm telling y'all, it's a lot of y'all. So, for some of y'all that I've been telling you, Aries, you need to get away from this person. I feel like this person's into some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Whether they realize it or not, some of them, for the most part, I'm picking up they do, and they're going to someone else to get information or to get help trying to win you back, but it's something spiritually that's being done, which is why I feel like some of you guys are having a hard time breaking free from this person. But I'm hearing, for the most part, what I just said, y'all already know this. It's just, I just confirmed it. For others of you, if this is the past person that's trying to come back, they've been dealing with someone or around someone that, I ain't gonna lie, they've been doing stuff to them spiritually, like spell work, magic, like all of that, right? And this is why there was an imbalance in your commitment with this person. That was the problem. See, family, somebody from the past. See what I'm saying? Y'all take whichever scenario fits for you, because I'm seeing it can go so many different ways. But see, this is why this person was being a player. They were running in and out of your life, because I'm telling you, something was being done spiritually. Okay? See what I'm saying? You see how the magician looks close to the devil for me? It's a little too close. See what I'm saying? There was definitely some type of spell work or magic involved here. Just depends on which... y'all, it's too many. I'm not gonna break it up. Y'all not about to do this to me today, okay? We're gonna keep going. But I'm seeing that, you know, this is why you were left out in the cold, but you've been healing, you know, and right now you're manifesting a victory to come in. But I feel like some of you guys are afraid that it may not. Okay. So let's back up. I don't know if I said it. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But regardless, I feel like I do see you celebrating at the end of the day. But right now, you're isolating yourself. Maybe some of you guys feel like this other person's isolating themselves. Yep. Because, see, they're in a codependent situation with this ex. There's somebody, whether it's you or someone from the past, they are still entangled. I ain't going to say entanglement, y'all. We not going to. I promise y'all, that was not because of the whole Will, Jade, and August Alsina thing, okay? Because I refuse to use entanglement, because we're not doing that, okay, in 2020. We're not. But they were still entertaining this other person. And this is why things will not improve. Maybe somebody's worried about financially, you know, because it's like if they've been taking care of someone else or they're going to have to give to someone else, they're worried about their money. And this is why they're kind of back and forth with the Seven of Swords, because they're going to have to clear away this person. See, they're moving away from them because they want to make things right with you. But see, they're going to have to end a relationship or a commitment with this ex. They're going to have to get out of it. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. See, but they're having a hard time doing that. Why? They feel stuck. See what I'm saying? Somebody feels stuck with the person that they're with. Assets, kids, marriage, whatever it is, bills, living arrangements. This could be family. You get what I'm saying? But I'm seeing that, yeah, they're going to move fast to clear away these obstacles because they're no longer overthinking things. They don't want to lose you. But see, right now they're going through a tower moment, and that's why they're having a hard time. They're going through this tower moment with an ex. And see, this is why there's no communication. So, yeah, some of you guys aren't even talking to this person. They want to be with you, but I knew it was something with money. Somebody's holding on to them. Could be their mother, some type of mother figure, but they know that they hurt you, you know, and so this is why they're trying to figure out, okay, what to do, because see, wow, 10 of Cups is here, and the 2 of Cups is balancing on my wrist. So this person definitely wants to be with you. They love you. They want to be committed to you. They see themselves having a family with you, but they feel like it's not going to happen either because there's some type of family situation involved. They have a family with someone else. Or just somebody was just blocking. Period, point blank. They were blocking. See what I'm saying? Look at that 11-11. See what I'm saying? Look at that 11-11. See what I'm saying? Look at